1,400 mga immigrants ang kinilala bilang mga bagong Canadians ngayong Canada Day, kabilang ang ilang mga Pilipino. Isa namang natatanging citizenship ceremony ang ginanap sa Toronto. Narito ang report ni Teresa Redula.
Isang pambihirang pagkakataon para sa 24 na immigrants na ito sa Toronto dahil ngayong Canada Day. Bahagi sila ng isang seremonyang pinakainabangan ng kanilang pamilya.
Today, we celebrate the symbols, events, people, institutions, and values that define us as Canadians. This includes a celebration of the rich diversity from immigrants like you, who have helped this country grow and prosper.
Natatanging citizenship ceremony para sa mga bagong Canadians mula sa 6 na iba't ibang bansa. Isinagawa ito sa Rogers Stadium na tahanan ng Toronto Blue Jays baseball team.
As Canada's team, I think we're super proud to be partnering the Blue Jays on this event.
At sa halip na judge, ang immigration minister ang siyang nanguna sa oath of citizenship.
A guy like me was born Canadian. I got lucky. These guys fought to become a Canadian, and you can just see the smile on people's faces, the kids, the parents. This is their new country, and they're discovering it, and I'm just happy to be a part of it.
Emosyonal na araw para sa marami.
Honestly, means a lot to be Canadian and grow up here because I've seen how my parents have really wanted me and my sister to grow up somewhere where we would have opportunities and we could get a good education. So it was really nice seeing. I was more happy that they were happy and that all their hard work really paid off.
Isang pribilehiyo na anilay hindi sasayangin.
I want to be a lawyer, actually.
I'm choosing between lawyer and practicing in medicine.
Gayon din sa mga Pilipinong ito sa British Columbia, nakabilang sa 40 bagong Canadians na kinilala sa Canada Place sa Vancouver.
Na-appreciate namin lahat yung country na kung saan kami nanggaling. At Canada is home sa amin ngayon. Ito na yung bagong bahay namin, ito na yung bansa na kumukup sa amin.
Yung peace, safety, and security po dito ay mahigpit. And so yung mga citizen po dito ay hindi po labis nag-aalala sa mga krimen na nangyayari na nakikita natin or nawi-witness natin sa ibang bansa.
Lahat ng opportunity na binigay ng Canada sa amin, taos puso namin pinapasalamatan ito. At lalo na sa Panginoon na nagbigay sa amin ng biyaya nila sa araw-araw na aming pamumuhay dito.
Ayon sa Immigration Minister, ilan lamang sila sa 1,400 na sumailalim sa citizenship ceremony sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Canada na ngayon pwede nang gamitin ang mga karapatang para sa mga citizens.
Swearing the oath and allegiance to Canada, a whole bunch of rights that they're going to be able to exercise, including voting, but including the freedom of expression, the freedom to be who they are. It's Canada Day, so go have some hot dogs, listen to some Corey Hart, and just take it easy. It's been a tough year on people, but this is an amazing day.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.